Oh, Jojo. And it does have the bendable ear tabs. I just love how this is like... My cat's sleeping over there and I just gasped. Hello! So I have a very, very exciting video for you today. Kit Kat is just asleep over there, and she like had a dream and woke herself up or something and like startled herself. Most of these, if not all, I don't know, I have to go through it. I really... Kit, you okay? The wind is blowing, and so there's like a plant that keeps going in front of the window over there, and Kit Kat's like losing her mind in a particular brand or a particular line, and so we're doing that again. No. Kitten! Go. Get out. Kitten is literally driving me crazy today because my son and my partner are out there doing some work in the yard for me, and so she knows I'm in here, knows they're out there, and she's just like losing her mind. These are like all giving me sort of fall vibes. Kit Kat, can you get off those? So I'm gonna use this Trust Tech dual leave-in conditioner. Kit's like, what are you doing? So I let that out, and then I'm gonna blend the lace with the Tia Maria Wigs blending kit. This is a kit that I create and sell on my website. And where's the kit? Let me get the kit. Not Kit Kat.